Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to find your PC password in Windows 10. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to double-check it, this simple guide will help you out. So, let's dive right in. To find your PC password in Windows 10, start by navigating to the search option located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply type Control Panel, and then from the results click on the Control Panel. Once you're in the Control Panel, you'll see numerous settings. Look for and click on the Credential Manager option. Upon opening the Credential Manager, you'll see two options, Web Credential and Windows Credential. Select the latter. If no passwords are saved, it will indicate no Windows credentials and no certificate-based credentials. In this case, the PC isn't password protected. However, if a password is present, you can view, backup, or restore it here. And that's how you can find your password in Windows 10. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.